In this video, I will show you how to disable or enable Windows Defender in the Windows 11 operating system. Possible reasons why you might want to disable Windows Defender. Installing other antivirus software. Because Windows Defender is an antivirus responsible for constantly scanning your device for suspicious activity and self-duplicating files. That could be a sign of malware. It can detect another antivirus doing its job and interrupt it, and vice versa. Privacy issues. Although most antivirus software providers assure users that they do not spy on them or collect any data, in most cases you can only take their word for it. PC resource optimization. Windows Defender constantly monitors and scans your device for viruses, malware, and spyware, which can consume significant resources and prevent you from using your device's hardware to its full potential. Interfering with the installation and operation of applications. Windows Defender is known for preventing you from installing certain software. This often happens with applications that act as a server and accept incoming data from the internet, such as online games. So let's get started. Select Start and type Windows Security to search for that app. Select the Windows Security app from the search results. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, select Manage Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Switch Real-Time Protection to off. Note that scheduled scans will continue to run. However, files that are downloaded or installed will not be scanned until the next scheduled scan. Thank you for watching.